So, teacher, so today I'm gonna answer the bit for tutorial. So the first question is discuss business benefits of cloud architecture. So the cloud architecture provides the significant business benefits by improving efficiency, flexibility, and cost effectiveness. According to the slide, traditional IT systems face challenges such as difficulty in scaling resources, managing cloud workloads, and handling system failures. Cloud architecture solve their problem by allowing organizations to access resources on demand, scale up or down automatically, carry, and avoid maintaining physical infrastructure. This led to benefit research organization, reduce operating costs, and higher reliability. The cloud service use simple APS and hide complex system process, enabling business to focus more on the innovation rather than the infrastructure management. So for the question two, what are the example of the cloud architecture? So the example of cloud architecture is the work distributable architecture, which uses load balance to distribute tasks across multiple servers. Research pool architecture is a similar research such as CPU, memory, and storage as group and share. The dynamic scalability architecture is a automatically adjust resources by on demand. Some example is lattice research capacity architecture and cloud period architecture. So for the question three is discuss the service load balance architecture. So the service load balance architecture is the specialized form of the workload distribution designed specifically for the cloud service. In this architecture, multi-copy of the cloud service are deployed across different EV2 servers. A load balance then retrieves incoming user requests evenly across the edge server, ensuring no single server becomes overloaded. This improves performance, availability, and scalability. The architecture also uses the mechanisms such as resource replication to create additional service instance and resource group to manage workload efficiency. Cloud user monitor are used to track system performance and resource consumption in the real life. So the question 4 is discuss the redundant storage architecture. So the redundant storage architecture focus on improving data reliability and availability. It works by creating a secondary copy of data stored in the primary storage system. This secondary storage is continuously synchronized with the primary one using the replication mechanism. If the primary storage fails, the storage service gateway automatically do this redirects user request to the secondary storage ensure anti-interpolate access to data, and the backup storage is stored in different geographies region improve fault tolerance. However, it may require the legal to comply to depend on data allocation requirement. The architecture ensure high available and data protection in cloud system. So that's all the question. Thank you for listening.